Okay, question 15, a nice 10 marker to finish off. So we got this shaded region on a graph. So figure 4 shows a sketch of the graph of curve C with equation y equals 32 over x squared, add 3x minus 8 for values of x greater than 0. The point P for 6 lies on C. The line L is the normal to C at point P. The region R shown shaded in figure 4 is bounded by the line L, the curve C, the line x equals 2 and the x-axis. Our job is to show that the area of R is 46. Okay, so big job. So we've got a curve and a straight line. We can work out the area under a curve using integration. So what we're going to do is split this area into two regions. So if we draw a line from P down to the x-axis, we know that the x-coordinate here is 4. Now let's call this region A1. And we know that A1 is the integral between 2 and 4 of 32 over x squared, which I'm going to write as 32x to the minus 2. Add 3x. Add 3x minus 8 with respect to x. So, if we do that integral, okay, so x to the minus 2 goes up to x to the minus 1, and then it's divided by minus 1. So we get minus 32 over x, add 3x squared over 2, minus 8x between 4 and 2. So, when we substitute 4 in, we're going to get minus 32 over 4, add 4 squared is 16, 3 times 16 is 48, 48 divided by 2 is 24. And then minus 8 times 4 is minus 32. Now we subtract what we get when we put 2 in. So that's going to give us minus 32 over 2, which is minus 16. Add, well, 2 squared is 4, 3 times 4 is 12, divided by 2 is 6. And then minus 8 times 2, so minus 16. So this first bracket is going to give us minus 32 over 4 is minus 8. So we got minus 8 minus 32 is minus 40. Add 24 gives us minus 16. And then we got minus. Now in the second bracket, we got minus 16, which is minus 32. Add 6, it's going to give us minus 26. So we got minus 16 minus 26. Now that gives us 10. So the region of A1 has an area of 10. So now we need to find, let's call this A2. We now need to find A2. So how are we going to do that? Well, we know that the line L is the normal to the curve C. We know the height of this triangle is 6, because this point is 4, 6. What we need to know is that coordinate there. So then we would know the length of the triangle, and we can then work out the area. So we need to work out the equation of the normal. So to do that, let's think about what a normal is. So a normal is a line perpendicular to here the curve. So the gradient of the curve C at the point P times the gradient of the normal, so the gradient of L, is equal to minus 1. So if we can find the gradient of the curve at P, we can get the gradient of the normal, and then we can get the equation of the normal, and then find the value of x that we need. So what we need then, first of all, is the gradient of the curve. Now y is 32 over x squared, so x to the minus 2, add 3x minus 8. Now the gradient of the curve is given by the derivative, so we need to differentiate this. So dy by dx, well, the power of minus 2 comes down and multiplies 32, so we get minus 64, and the power of x goes down to minus 3. So that's minus 64 over x cubed. 3x differentiates to 3, and the minus 8 disappears. Now when we're at point P, x is equal to 4, so when x is 4, dy by dx is minus 64 over 4 cubed to 64, add 3. Now minus 64 over 64 is minus 1. Minus 1 add 3 is 2. So we now know 2 times the gradient of L is minus 1. So the gradient of L is minus 1/2. Now, using the general equation of a straight line, y is mx at c, so the normal is of the form y equals minus 1/2 x at c. Now to find c, we sub in the coordinates at p. So when x is 4, y is 6, so that gives us 6 is equal to minus 1/2 times 4, it's minus 2, add c, therefore c is 8. So the normal has equation y equals minus 1/2 x add 8. So, what we're trying to find, remember, is this point here. So, the equation of the line is y equals minus 1/2 x add 8. Now at this point, y is equal to 0, because we're on the x-axis. So we get 0 is minus 1/2 x add 8. Therefore, x is 16. So now that we know this x coordinate, we can work out the length of the triangle. So the distance between 4 and 16 is 12. Now we know the height of the triangle is 6. So the area of A2 is 6 times 12 over 2, which gives us 36. So, now we know then that R is 10 add 36, which is, as we wanted to show, 46. Cool. Okay guys, with that, paper 1 is done. Don't forget you can get to paper 2 from down below in the description. Hope you found this useful. Good luck in your exams. Take care. Take it easy.